When I was a little boy, I ran around all day, up and down and round and round, finding my own way. One day I found a cookie jar, wrapped my hands around it, but my mama said, "You naughty boy, don't you even think about it." No, 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 no. When I was a teenager, new things to try out. My daddy had this little box and I had to go find out. I found this really big cigar, I put my lips around it, but my papa said, "You naughty boy, don't you even think about it." No, 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 no. Now I am a married man, we walk, I hold her hand. Then this pretty girl rolled by, bikini, skates and tan. She winked at me, her big blue eyes, asked me how about it. But my missus said, "You naughty boy, don't you even think about it." No, 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 no. When I am old and gray, I knock on heaven's door. But I don't want to go in there, that's just plain old bore. I walk on back down the stairs, I work my way around it, but St. Peter said, "You naughty boy, don't you even think about it." No, 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 no. No, 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 don't even think about it.
Raakgeschoten.nl, omdat videografie niet duur hoeft te zijn.